Keep going. Woo!
Welcome to Fox's Adventures.
Hi guys, Fox Adventures here. So today is new car day. We're really excited, so I'm just going to go tell Scarlett that we're going to go and get the car today and see how excited she is. Let's go find out. Scarlett, guess what? Can you guess what day it is today?
Car day.
It's new car day! How excited are you?
Yeah.
You've literally been asking me all week, haven't you? Is it new car day yet, Mummy? And it's today. So shall we go and get dressed?
Yeah.
And then we'll go get the new car?
Yeah.
Woohoo! This is it. This is the last time we'll drive the car.
Yeah, bye, car.
Bye! Oh, I can't wait for you to see the new one. So we've got it! Scarlett's just been and got a special toy as well because she was super duper good whilst we went and got it. It's got a nice little Fiat. Lovely. Are we happy with the new car? Do we like it?
Yeah. Are
We
you
do,
ready
don't
to
we?
open it?
Well, you'll have to join us later, guys, because we'll add this opening up at the end, won't we? Yeah? So see you in a bit. Here it is, guys. We're super happy with it. It drives really nice. My hair's getting a bit of windswept. But yeah, Scarlett's loving a car seat. Not that you can see it. But yeah, super, super happy with the car. So yeah.
Down the canal. There's Mummy, there's Bo.
Learn how to ride a bike, haven't you?
Yeah.
By yourself, don't think.
How good are you? I think you're very, very clever for a 4-year-old.
Good girl. Well done, good mistake.
Say hi. She can't look, she's concentrating. Bless her.
Get ready to slow down because it'll get very bumpy now and it won't be able to very easy to drive on.
Give us a like and subscribe, guys.
Scarlett can't ride on me.
Bumpy, bumpy, bumpy.
Bumpy, keep riding. It's going now.
Oh, should we go over this secret bridge? Got to be careful now. You want to go over the big bridge? Should we go over the big bridge or should we go to the small one? Bridge. Bo likes having a nice good old walk. Don't you, Bosie? Oh, where's she gone? She is.
There's some ducks down there.
Ah, yeah. Oh, we don't like geese, do they? They run at us, don't they, and scare us. They think Bo's food. She's rather funny, but...
I'm pulling you up and Bo's pulling me up.
Beautiful views. Can see a plane? Oh yeah, so can I. Can you spot it, guys?
Thanks for watching. Bye.